How to watch adult content on YouTube. So, first, what we have to do is just open our YouTube application. Open YouTube application. So, now once you have opened YouTube, what we have to do is go to your icon, which says your profile picture, this icon. Just tap here, and now after that you will find this screen. Go to this setting option, and then we have to go to general. Just tap here. Once we are in this general option, what we have to do is find this option. So it says restricted mode. By default, this mode will be enabled for you. So if this is enabled, that means you cannot watch adult or 18 plus content on YouTube. So if you want to watch that, just disable this button, and that's it. So once you have disabled this option, then your feed will suggest you adult content or 18 plus content. So this is what you have to disable, and once you have done it, then you will get it. Okay, so yeah, that's what we have to do to watch adult content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.